Welcome and welcome back everyone. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Swasha and I make DIY videos for some home decor elements which we usually find expensive on some high-end decor websites or probably the store. So I get inspired from that and try to make it on my own. So if you are in the same, please don't forget to watch my other videos and let's get jumping to today's video. Today's video is about abstract art. I made this video about a year ago and I was just going to channel analytics today and I've realized that it has reached to 10,000 views. So I thank you very much for that and I will definitely try to come up with more things like that, more videos like that. And today's video is a little different from previous video is because I've used different technique which is so much smoother and it's of course different design. So I hope you will definitely like it and let's get started.
So let's make textured paste first. Now for that I had my Alex Plus wall spackle. This is actually to fill up the holes and this is going to be base of our texture paste. This already comes with a white cement and some other liquid compounds that makes it a paste, but it dries up a little faster than usual. We don't want it like that. We want this paste to hold the moisture for a longer period of time until the time we make the design. So for that, I took about 1 cup of texture paste and I added 2 tablespoons of glue in that. And just to give it an extra white color, I added the white acrylic paint. This is completely optional. Just try avoid using water to that. If you think you will need water, just try to spray or add a tiny bit of water and then you want to mix the paste together for about 6 to 7 minutes thoroughly because that will help the paste to incorporate air, glue and acrylic paint together. Your paste should hold the swirl like that and that's when you know your paste is ready. Now this is the time to use it. I had some old frames that I was not intending to use and it was time to upcycle them. Since this was a project that I already worked on, I kind of knew that it's gonna look nicer on some frames. And then I took my notch trowel, which comes in a different design. I got the one with the pointed design. There are some with the square design as well and they make the beautiful design too. So to make my designs, I started by spreading my paste on the photo frames that I had. And if you can notice, I have masking tape on the edges of my frame. It is just to give my design a little bit of extra space when needed. And with that, with my notch trowel, I started to make designs. Since this was a small frame, I did not have much of a scope to work around the designs. So I went with this. It turned out pretty well too. But later on, when I was using the bigger frames, I had so much fun. I tried a lot of design and that worked for me. Now with the second frame was a bigger frame than the first one. So I played more with the design than I expected. I started to make round and somehow was not working out properly. The best part about this DIY is that you can use this paste like for a good amount of time, 15-20 minutes. You can work around your designs. You can play around with the designs. You can think of anything that you want to make. And if it doesn't work out, you can simply just start all over again. So that's the best part. And with that, with this white frame, I actually made the sun and a sea kind of design. And it was a pretty straightforward, one round and one horizontal line. And with the third design, that's my absolute favorite and I still have it in my bathroom. I ran out of texture paste, so I had to make a new one. You see how smooth that is gliding? I'm absolutely in love with that. And with that, with the help of scale, I made an arc for that. That arc had a beautiful round shape without having any kind of mistakes. It was beautiful. And I was going to make another small arc just to accompany the first one, the half arc, I would say. And I also made that with the help of scale, and that was looking absolutely perfect. So this was my DIY, and let me show you how I styled it.
If you like this part of the video, I thank you very much. And if you've enjoyed, please don't forget to watch my other videos, like, comment, subscribe on them, because that's gonna help me to create my YouTube community. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.